Hello friends, welcome to Rapid General Awareness. Here we are going to see the best 50 current affairs from 16th of May to 20th of May. Friends, from few days I was unable to upload the video as I was stuck somewhere, but now I'll be uploading the videos on regular basis. So please stay connected. So let's begin. When was the Armed Forces Day in 2020 observed? So, this day in 2020 was observed on 16th of May, and this day is celebrated on 3rd Saturday of every May. Okay, and this year it falls on 16th of May. Which ministry has launched initiative named Goal, that is going online as leaders? So this initiative has been launched by Ministry of Tribal Affairs. It is basically to provide mentorship to tribal youths with digital mode. Ministry of Tribal Affairs has launched initiative named Goal, that is going online as leaders, in partnership with which of the following company? So this has been done in partnership with Facebook. Prochesta scheme and Snehar Paraj scheme has been launched by which state? So this two scheme has been launched by West Bengal. Prochesta scheme is basically to provide support for migrant workers, and Snehar Prochesta scheme is to help workers to earn living in lockdown situation. Okay. Under Prochesta scheme and Snehar Paraj scheme, how much amount the beneficiaries will get? So, the beneficiaries will get rupees 1000. Which COVID-19 testing machine has been dedicated by Dr. Harsh Vardhan to the nation? So, the machine is Cobas 6800. Okay, now the question can also be asked that this machine has been placed in which center? So, this machine has been placed in National Center for Disease Control in New Delhi, and Dr. Harshvardhan is Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare. Okay. The government has launched the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana for dash crore to develop marine and inland fisheries. So, this yojana is for rupees 20,000 crore. Out of the 20,000 crore rupees, how much amount has been allocated for infrastructure creation such as fishing, harbors, cold chain and markets? So, rupees 9,000 crore has been allocated. Out of the 20,000 crore rupees, how much amount has been allocated for activities in marine, inland fisheries and aquaculture? So it is 11,000 crore rupees. So out of 20,000 crore rupees for Matsya Sampada Yojana, 9,000 is for infrastructure and 11,000 is for marine inland fisheries and aquaculture. Okay. Carbon dioxide emission in India has been reduced by how much metric tons as per environmental website Carbon Brief? So, carbon dioxide emission has been reduced by 30 metric ton, and this fall has been recorded in 4 decades for the first time. Which of the following company has launched the digital health EMI network card to make medical expenses affordable? So, this has been launched by Bajaj Finance Limited. Okay, this card will help customers to pay for healthcare, diagnostic and pharmacy with no cost EMI. Roberto Azevedo has announced resignation from the Director General of which world organization? So, he has announced resignation from World Trade Organization, which is headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Samartha scheme has been implemented by which institute? So, this scheme has been implemented by NIT Kurukshetra, and it is developed by Department of Higher Education, and till date 127 institutions has participated in this scheme. Okay, this can be asked that how many institutions have participated in Samarth scheme? It is 127 institutions. How much amount of money has been provided in the second phase of Samarth scheme? So, rupees 2,430 crore has been provided. And what is the amount provided in first phase? So it is 1389 crore. Who has been reappointed as the chairman of Jammu and Kashmir Bank? So he is Rajesh Kumar Chibbar. Okay. And who has been appointed as managing director of Jammu and Kashmir Bank? So he is Zubair Iqbal. So the chairman is Rajesh Kumar Chibbar and managing director is Zubair Iqbal. And Jammu and Kashmir Bank is headquartered in Srinagar. Rajiv Gandhi Kisan Nyay Yojana scheme has been launched by which state? So this scheme has been launched by Chhattisgarh. Under the Rajiv Gandhi Kisan Nyay Yojana scheme, farmers are to be paid how much amount for crops such as sugarcane, corn and paddy? So rupees 10,000 per acre are to be paid. Just keep in mind friends, it's 10,000 per acre, okay, not per month. What is the rank of India in first edition of FIDE-Chess.com Online Nations Cup 2020? So, India ranks 5th. Okay, and 6 nations have participated in this competition and China has won this competition. Okay. The central government has approved the modification of the detailed project report of the multipurpose project at Jammu and Kashmir on which river? So, this project has been done on Uj river, which is tributary of river Ravi. The National Restaurants Association of India has partnered with which company to build its own tech platform for online payments and digital ordering? So, this association has partnered with .bay. It will basically launch a new program for online food ordering and delivery services, and it will reduce the dependency on the apps like Zomato and Swiggy. Okay. What is the total number of mandis that was integrated with the eNAM platform for the electronic agriculture trading platform? So, 1000 number of mandis were there. Where was the low profile ceremony to commission the 7th Mark IV landing craft utility, that is INLCU L57 held? So, this ceremony was held in Port Blair in Andaman and Nicobar. Name the company which has built the 7th Mark IV INLCU L57. So, this has been built by Garden Ridge Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited. Who headed the group of ministers panel which proposes land pooling to corporatize agriculture and merging Manrega with skilling program? So, this group of ministers panel is headed by Thawarchand Gehlot, who is Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment. Madhya Pradesh government has launched which initiative to provide sleepers and shoes to migrant laborers going barefoot? So, the initiative is Charan Paduka. Okay, it is basically to provide shoes and sleepers to the migrant laborers who are going barefoot. Who will head the task force on Ayush for COVID-19 recently constituted by Maharashtra government? So, this task force will be headed by Dr. Tatya Rao Lahane. Okay, and this task force will consist of 18 members. Who will head the 5-member high-powered committee formed by Andhra Pradesh government to investigate leakage of stearin gas from LG Polymers India Limited in Visakhapatnam? So, this committee will be headed by Nirab Kumar Prasad. And just remember, the gas was leaked, that was stearin gas. Okay. Which state has launched the first cyber security accelerator for startups in India? So, it has been launched by Karnataka. The United States will donate how many ventilators to India costing $2.6 million? So, United States will donate 200 ventilators. The question can also be asked that how much is the cost of this 200 ventilators? It is $2.6 million. The scientists from which nation have discovered the super earth which potentially holds the condition to sustain human life? So the scientists are from New Zealand. Which country has developed I Feel You bracelet for social distancing rule? So this bracelet has been developed by Italy. Okay, it is basically to follow the social distancing rules. Scientist from which country has discovered a new species of a parasitic fungus named Troglomyces twitteri? So these scientists are from Denmark and her name is Sofia Rebolera. Okay, and this species has been named after Twitter because this scientist used image circulating on Twitter. So it was known as Troglomyces twitteri. Okay. Indian Post Mumbai has released a special postal cover which has been dedicated to, migrant workers. Which country has launched a new defense unit to monitor and counter threats to the country's satellites? So it has been launched by Japan. How many cities has got 3-star rating in Star Rising of Garbage Free Cities list 2019-2020? So 3-star has been got to 65 cities, 6 cities got 5-star and 70 cities got 1-star. Okay. Which bank has launched its first India's zero contact video KYC savings account? So the bank is Kotak Mahindra Bank. Okay, and initially it has been launched on pilot basis. Okay, who has been appointed as the new president of the World Health Assembly? So she is Keva Bain. Okay, and World Health Assembly is the decision making body of World Health Organization. Okay, and this president is of 73rd World Health Assembly. Who among the following has been honored with 2019 Alexander Dalrymple Award for UK? Okay, so Admiral Vinay Badwar has been honored. Okay. In which city Gujarat government has mandated digital payments for all home delivery services? So it has been mandated in Ahmedabad. It is basically to prevent the spread of COVID-19 through currency notes. Okay. Which app has been launched by Union Minister, HRD Minister to take mock tests for JEE Mains and NEET 2020? So the app's name is National Test Abhyas. Okay, so this app will enable candidates to take mocks for the upcoming JEE Mains and NEET exams. Okay, and who is the HRD Minister? He is Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Which company have made India's first service robot named Sona 1.5 and Sona point 5? So the company is Club First. Okay, this company made several robots to help the medical staff. Okay. Which company has announced a partnership with Vishal Mega Mart for the home delivery of essential items? So it has been done with Flipkart. Okay, Flipkart has partnered with Vishal Mega Mart. Which state or union territory government has started the Sukoon COVID-19 initiative to beat the psychological impact of lockdown? So this has been done by Jammu and Kashmir government. Okay, this is to ensure that people stay mentally fit and cope up with the fear of COVID-19. Who is the head of ICC committee which has recommended that ban of use of saliva to shine the ball to mitigate risk of COVID-19 virus? So this is headed by Anil Kumble. Flipkart has tied up with which insurance provider to offer digital motor insurance policy for its customer? So Flipkart has tied up with Bajaj Allianz Insurance. Which bank has launched a special gold loan business vertical aimed providing hassle-free credit in times of financial emergencies? So it has been launched by Canara Bank. Okay friends, this were the best 50 current affairs from 16th of May to 20th of May. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'll be coming up with the video for best 50 for 21st of May to 25th of May. So to get the notification, please do subscribe our channel and share with your friends, and please like our video. Thank you. Have a nice day.